Wow, can you believe that 10 different colors will come out of this Spider-Man pen? If you watch the video, you will be incredibly happy. So, let's start showing you from number 1. This is the color orange. Orange. Now I'm showing you the second number. This is blue. BLUE. Number 3. This color is green. This is my favorite color, green. Now let's lock the number for switch and see what color comes out. Wow, this is pink. PINK. Before you see what happened in the end, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now it's the turn of the fifth one, whose favorite color comes out. Oh my god, this is blue. BLUE. Hopefully, all the children will like the color of the sixth cereal. You see, I was right, this is black. BLACK. There are 4 more colors left. If the children watch this video in full, they will learn a lot. Number 7 is yellow. YELLOW. Friends, this time we start by locking the squeeze of color number 8 and see what color we get. Wow, this is red. RED. We are waiting to see the cereal. Color number 9. Wow, this is purple. PURPLE. Now let's see what color the last color is. Oh, very beautiful, it is brown. BROWN. Friends, today we learned the names of 10 beautiful colors. If you want to get new educational videos like this, please subscribe to the channel.